Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and this is the DuraTherm Ceiling Liner from Legend Fleet Solutions installed in our 2016 RAM ProMaster City. Now, these ceiling liners really have two benefits. The first benefit is for it to protect the ceiling in the van. As you know, this is just open sheet metal, and if you're loading equipment in and you accidentally hit that sheet metal, it could very easily dent. Paint could chip away, you could have rust, corrosion, all that stuff happening with your van. And so what this does is it helps protect the van as well as add a beautiful finish. Now, the secondary benefit is the liner has a layer of insulation behind it. So there's a layer of foil, then a layer of insulation. It's going to help control temperatures and reduce road noise in the back of the van. If you've ever driven a cargo van, you know how loud it can be back here because there's really nothing back here other than the sheet metal. So it's going to help just reduce that road noise and control the temperatures in the van. Now, installation is pretty straightforward. We did have to do some minor trimming of this liner to fit around these door track here. We removed these two plastic panels just to make it easy to get this liner in place, kind of slide it in, and then there's these 6 push pins to get it installed on the top of the van. You can also see we have our aluminum top sills that we make available when purchasing a ceiling liner. This just helps create a nice transition from wall liner to ceiling liner. Otherwise, there can kind of be an awkward gap between your wall liner and your ceiling liner. So the sill just helps create this beautiful finish in between these two liners. Now, this ceiling liner is compatible with pretty much every partition out there, including the factory partition you can get from RAM or any aftermarket partition that you can get as well. It just kind of slips up here. And if you need to make any minor trimming to the liner, that's pretty easy to do as well. The liner is available in 2 colors. You can either get it in gray, which has this textured finish on top of the liner, or you can get it in a white finish without the texture. Now, if you're looking for this liner or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.